In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your domain with Bluehost after registration. Verifying your domain is an essential step that confirms you're the rightful owner and keeps your website active and compliant. If this part gets overlooked, your domain could be suspended. So let's walk through it together in a clear, stress-free way. Right after you register your domain, head to the inbox of the email address you used for your domain contact details. You should receive a verification message from Bluehost. Open that email and look for the verification link inside. Clicking that link is what confirms your domain ownership, so do it as soon as you see it. It only takes a moment, and once you click, you'll typically see a confirmation page letting you know the process is complete. If the message isn't in your inbox, don't worry. Check your spam or junk folder since automated emails sometimes land there. It can also help to search your mailbox for Bluehost or verification to surface it quickly. Once you find it, mark it as not spam so future messages arrive in your inbox, then click the verification link to complete the process. If you prefer to double check from your account, log into your Bluehost account manager and go to the Domains tab. In the Domain Overview area, you can see the current status of your domain verification at a glance. This is helpful if you've clicked the link and want to confirm that everything has gone through, or if you're unsure whether the email ever arrived. If the verification email didn't show up or you accidentally deleted it, you can resend it directly from your account. In your domain manager, open the contacts section and use the option to resend the verification email. Make sure you have access to the email address listed there, since that's where the new message will go. While you're in the contacts section, take a moment to confirm your domain contact information is accurate and up to date. The name, organization, if applicable, mailing address, and especially the email address should match where you want important notices to go. Correct details help ensure you receive the verification message and avoid any disruption or suspension. To recap, open the verification email and click the link, check spam or junk if it's missing, confirm the status under Domain Overview, resend the email from contacts if needed, and verify your contact info is accurate. Follow these steps and your domain will be verified smoothly and ready to go.